Welcome to MarkzPortal, the ultimate online file converter, powered by the MarkzAPI. In this video, we'll show you how to extract images and text from PDFs and desktop publishing files alike. And we're talking PDFs of any kind, a Corel PDF, a Canva PDF, MS Word or PowerPoint PDF. It really doesn't matter. However, also DTP layouts from Adobe InDesign, Illustrator, QuarkXPress, Microsoft Publisher, and more. So let's get started. First, log into your MarkzPortal account on markzportal.markzware.com. Sign up and basic usage is totally free. The actual file conversions require a paid-for subscription. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for a monthly or yearly subscription. Okay, so let's log in. Now just drag a file, whether it's a PDF of any kind, from Word to Canva to InDesign, etc., or a native InDesign file, or QuarkXPress, or what have you, into the designated area. Okay, great. Now that was an overview of how you use MarkzPortal to standardly convert files. Now I'm going to show you the image and text extraction, starting with text extraction. Let's use a new file here, this big PDF. The preview may take some time to generate, so just be patient. Take a couple sips of coffee. Okay, well, there we have it. You get a full preview of the file. For text extraction itself, you want to choose one of these options down below in the export format area. Just click here and you get them. You can export as text, HTML, or RTF. These will be fully stylized RTF or HTML files with all, colors, sizing, spacing, you name it. The export for AI, artificial intelligence, is a way to get a file ready for a GPT, like a ChatGPT or Perplexity, which can then be uploaded and queried. Very handy for complex, disparate file types that we handle here at the MarkzPortal. In this case, we're going to choose RTF stories. This will include all the text in the PDF. If it was InDesign file, all the text from the text frames. Many of the file formats we support, you'll get all the text in chronological order as used. Now you simply click Convert. Okay, the conversion is done. You simply click Download, and now in your Downloads folder, and you get a full RTF file with all of the text, once again, fully stylized, capitalization, the type of font used, etc., etc., etc. This is a very handy way to extract the text out of a file very quickly for your use online or for other projects or documents. All right, now in the same file, let's show you how to just extract the images. Now, there's a couple little neat things. You can extract images as pages. So if I just say, give me ping of each and every page used in the PDF, you just go there and you can download them. And then what you get is each and every page as an individual ping file. In this case, you can use TIFF, you can use JPEG. And then you say, well, I want to use this in an X post or on LinkedIn or wherever it might be. You just take this image right here and you can use it for your marketing needs. So a very handy way to extract each page as an image. Now, what if you just need the images used in the document? So, all the individual images like the Now Online or the individual photographs, the pictures. If you need those, you just go down here and you choose IDML. You will not need the IDML. You can throw that away afterwards if need be. As you know, this is how you convert a complete document to InDesign or Affinity Publisher, QuarkXPress, wherever it might be. Now we just click Convert after choosing IDML, and this will also extract all of the images at resolution used in this PDF. Now, same process, click Download, go into your Downloads folder, you decompress it, and you open it up, and now you see all of the images extracted at resolution used. So we get the individual logo in this case, Now Online. Here we get the photographs. So, and all of these are at resolution used. So you can get your photographs. Some of them will be usable. Some of them might need to swap out. This was an online version of a PDF. So I have all these images to use on social media, to put into your CMS system, whatever it might be. You now have the images extracted from this PDF. Just another cool feature within MarkzPortal to not only extract images, extract text, but also convert your entire documents into various other file formats. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was interesting to you, please share with your colleagues. This really helps us. Post on LinkedIn or share on Facebook, whatever works for you. And don't forget to follow Markzware over on social media, at Markzware in most cases. For more information, visit markzware.com or simply email us on sales@markzware.com. Thank you. Have a great day and happy converting.